Casa Que, designed by RED Arquitectos, is a contemporary home in Cerritos, Baja California Sur, inspired by the surrounding desert landscape and ocean views. The house blends traditional and modern elements, creating a serene retreat that embraces natural beauty. The house features bold geometric volumes with rectangular forms that cascade along the landscape. The facade incorporates large open sections and textured latticework, allowing natural light to filter in while framing views of the mountains and ocean. Casa Que is built using locally sourced concrete blocks, chosen for their durability and ability to withstand the desert climate. The unique latticework utilizes traditional Nixtamal millstones, adding a textured, cultural element that provides both light filtration and privacy. The home's layout is organized around a central open floor plan, with the living and dining areas flowing into outdoor terraces. The design emphasizes seamless transitions between indoor and outdoor spaces, with each room offering expansive views of the landscape. Private spaces, including bedrooms, are tucked away to ensure privacy and comfort while maintaining a connection to the outdoors. Natural light is a focal point, with the latticework filtering sunlight throughout the day, creating dynamic patterns across the interiors. Large windows and open terraces invite natural light deep into the home, minimizing the need for artificial lighting. At night, subtle recessed lighting enhances the architecture without overpowering it. Concrete, wood, and stone are the primary materials used, reflecting the natural tones of the surrounding landscape. The concrete blocks provide a solid, rustic feel, while wooden accents add warmth to the minimalist aesthetic. The Nixtamal latticework offers a unique tactile element that speaks to local traditions and craftsmanship. The interiors are minimalist, with a focus on natural materials and neutral tones. Custom-made furniture pieces are simple yet functional, aligning with the home's open, airy design. The decor emphasizes the natural surroundings, with a restrained color palette that echoes the desert hues outside. The landscape design incorporates native desert plants that blend seamlessly with the natural environment. The terraces provide unobstructed views of the ocean and mountains, enhancing the home's connection to its surroundings. The landscaping is designed to be low maintenance, complementing the rugged beauty of the Baja landscape. Casa Que is a remarkable blend of traditional craftsmanship and modern design, offering a peaceful retreat that harmonizes with its desert setting. With its open spaces, natural materials, and thoughtful design, the house is a tribute to the natural beauty of Baja California Sur and the region's cultural heritage.